Need help? Here. Here, open it, Natalie. Open your presents. What'd you get? What'd you get? Wow! Slippers! You got slippers. Want to put them on? Slippers for Natalie.
Slippers.
Oh, wait, you have to take this stuffing out. Okay, here. Slippers. Wait, this one.
Is that what you wanted, Natalie, with slippers?
Slippers.
Yes!
Slippers. Slippers.
Here.
Every Hanukkah we'll get you slippers.
Slippers.
You love slippers.
Wow. Stand up and see how they fit.
How do they feel? All right, happy Hanukkah, Natalie. It's very nice. Happy Hanukkah.